My name is Lindsay Rothschild, and I'm your instructor for this course, Reading and Writing Level 4. We meet on Mondays from 6:15 to 9. But we don't just meet on Mondays from 6:15 to 9. This is a blended class. So that means we also meet, or we have work to do, online. This is great because it's flexible. You don't have to do your online work at a particular time of day. You can do it when it's convenient for you, but you really need to make sure you schedule time in your week because half of our class is online with online work. I want you to be successful, so I'm going to do everything I can to help you be successful. I have a question for you. When does our class start? Not September 11th. That's the first day we meet each other in person, September 11th. But our class starts on September 5th. That means there's work you need to do before September 11th. So let me take you on a little tour of our class. Okay, so this is our Moodle site. You'll notice here that this is where you can get announcements from me. You also have the community help forum. If you have a question, you should post it there and you can help each other with the answers. This is the important thing for you to see right now. What you need to do before class on Monday, September 11th. There's a list right here. You need to answer this question. What apps do you use? You just click on it. You'll have a question. Check all the apps that you use. I want to know what apps you use so I can see what apps we might be able to use together in this class. Then to go back, you can just click the name of our class and you go back. So back to do before class on Monday and 9/11. I want you to make sure you read the syllabus. This is really important because you have a little syllabus quiz right here. You need to take that before class. You need to get 100%, but you can take it as many times as you want. So make sure you look at the syllabus, all the answers are there, and just have fun with it. And also you get to practice using a quiz in Moodle. Then we have an introduction forum. This is a place for you to introduce yourself to your classmates. Make sure you read the instructions when there's a forum, because when I give you instructions, I'm giving you points or credit based on following the instructions. You need to introduce yourself. Tell us something about yourself, about where you're from, your family, your hobbies, and also tell us about why you're taking classes at HCC. What is your goal? Your post should be at least 5 sentences, and then you should reply to 2 classmates. Okay, what else do we need to do here? This is an activity where you're going to watch a video and then drag and drop sentences that are from the video. This is a read and write assignment. So this means you're going to read what's here. You're going to read, it's a very short reading, and then you're going to take out a piece of paper. This is a free writing exercise. You're going to take out a piece of paper, or you can sit at the computer, wherever you're more comfortable writing. You're going to put a timer on your phone or your stove or wherever your timer is, your watch, for 15 minutes. What I want you to write about in those 15 minutes is success. What does it mean to you? What are things you do, behaviors, that help you succeed? This is a free write, so you should write anything that comes to your mind. You're going to bring the paper with your writing to class on Monday, September 11th. This is your ticket to enter the class, okay? I'm not going to grade it on grammar or spelling or anything like that, so don't worry. I more want you just to think about the ideas. I want you to bring the writing to class so that we can share ideas and use it for an activity in class. So it's very important you do it before class, so when we get to class, we can use it for an activity. That's why it's your ticket to enter. So, what do you do if you have any questions? You can post in the community help forum. You can email me anytime at lrothschild.hcc.edu. And if you look here, there's something called Quick Mail, and you can email anyone in our class through the Quick Mail. Okay? You can also call me, but email is really best, and I'm always happy to help you. So with that, I look forward to seeing you on Monday, September 11th, but I will see you online before that, right?